Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Crypto Miner Tycoon and whether this is a real opportunity or a scam. So, let's get started. At the bottom, you'll see a plus icon. If you tap it, you'll find an exchange option. Many people mistake this for the withdrawal button, but it's actually for exchanging money for crypto. To withdraw real money, it's not that straightforward, and the options can be confusing. For instance, you might see a money to crypto coin exchange, but that's just for crypto trading, not withdrawing cash. If you continue exploring the app, you might find options like investors or other features, but none of them provide a clear withdrawal method. This could lead you to believe the app is fake. However, it's not a scam. You've just misunderstood its purpose. The app is designed for fun, and it doesn't claim to offer real money withdrawals. The game is intended for entertainment, and while you can earn virtual money, you can't cash out. If you're looking to earn real money, I'll share a method with you. There's an app where you can earn real cryptocurrency and gift cards. You can earn Bitcoin, and the minimum withdrawal is just $2, which is great because many platforms require much higher amounts. Once you've earned Bitcoin, you simply enter your withdrawal amount and crypto address to receive payment. You can also withdraw in USD or gift cards by entering your email and the amount you want to withdraw. Additionally, if you use my referral code, you'll get a bonus right away, including $2 or other rewards. There are various earning options available, like games and offers, where you can make money by completing tasks. One game lets you earn up to $7 by completing specific objectives. Other premium services and top offers are also available. The most exciting part is that you can earn money every day just by checking in. If you log in every day, you'll earn rewards, and after 7 days, you'll receive cash. On the 6th day, you'll get 18 cents, which is a good return for minimal effort. To withdraw, as mentioned, you need a minimum of $2. There is a small fee of 67 cents, but if you want to avoid the fee and still earn a bonus, you can withdraw through Stake. If you prefer PayPal, that's also an option. So, while Crypto Miner Tycoon may not let you withdraw cash directly, there are other ways to earn real money through other apps. And that's it for this video. Now, if you want to make serious money from the comfort of your own home, I found a unique side hustle that 99% of people have never even heard of. Click the link in the description to learn all about it.